Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. My name is Angel B and I teach you everything you need to know about China importation. Please, if you've not yet subscribed, I want you to click on the subscribe button so that whenever I post a video, you'll be among the first to get notified. So let's go into the business of today. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to chat with your suppliers on 1688. Now, it is very important. There are many reasons why you may need to chat with your supplier. Number one is you may need to negotiate with your suppliers. Like this price you see here, some of them are negotiable, yes, especially when you're buying in quantity. You could see ring light selling for 10 yuan. You could, negotiate with your supplier that he should give you for 8 or whatever, and then you could tell the supplier to reduce the price. Then another reason why you need to chat with your supplier, there are some products that can be branded, yes, so you may need to tell your supplier what you want them to brand. Like maybe you want to put your brand name, so you need to inform them, tell them this is how I want it, give them your specifications. Then another reason why you may need to chat with your supplier is in case there is a logistic problem. Most times, some of the times, not all the time, you may see that your goods have moved from your dashboard, that it has moved from the where it used to be, like that it has been delivered, but your shipping company will claim or say they have not received it. Now, in cases like this, you may need to communicate with your supplier to know what's going on. It has happened to me countless times that I need to fall back to my supplier and say, what's going on? This tracking number that is showing here, my shipper has not yet gotten it, and then they will fix it for you. Then lastly, for this video, another reason why you may need to chat with your supplier is in case of refund. Now, another reason, this is the last one now. In case of refunds, there are some times where for whatsoever reason your supplier may need to refund you, and then 1688 will demand an evidence, and most of the times that evidence is your chat with the supplier. So you may need to screenshot the chat page where you chatted with the supplier and get your refund from 1688. All right, from the supplier through 1688. Okay, all right, so we'll go into what we have for today. So you could see I'm just scrolling on 1688 app. Now, when you want to chat or message your supplier, it is better you do it on the app. Yes, and of course, you also know that your supplier does not understand English 98% of the time. Your supplier don't understand English, so you may need to chat with the supplier in a language which he will understand, which is Chinese, and hence the reason for this video. So the first thing you need to do, all right, so this is 1688. I'll just pick a random product and try to chat to the supplier. So let's go for I'll just pick any product that I feel like. Okay, let's go for this gown. Yes, this gown here. This one here that I selling for, this red one that I selling for 44.5 yuan. Okay, so what you need to do first is to click on the gown, okay, to lead you to the store of the supplier. So once you click on the gown, you see something like this. Okay, you see something like this. Okay, so this is not the store of the supplier. This is a video. If you scroll, you see many more, like all other colors and the other kind of gown the supplier has. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to click on this icon here where I just cycled, this one that has head and 2 eyes. So that's the chat button. Okay, so you click on it, it will lead you straight to the inbox of the seller. So it has opened. This is the inbox of the seller. Okay, so to begin my chat, the first thing I need to do is to click on this button here, this small red button. Now what it will do for you is to send a message to the supplier that I'm talking about this gown. I don't know if you understand. Now, this store has many gowns. They have different designs of gowns and all that. They may have other products too. But once you send this message to the supplier, anything that I'm about to say, the supplier knows that it is for this particular product, this particular gown that I'm talking about. So let's do that. Okay. So let me explain what happened. So this is what I just clicked on now here. So it has sent, this is me here. All right, this is me, this small head is me, and this is the message, that place I clicked on. This is what is sent to the supplier. Now this other message that is here is an automated message that the supplier just sent to anybody that sent him a message. You know, in WhatsApp business, if you're using WhatsApp business, you can design an automated message that even if you are not online, you will get when your customers chat you, you know, there's always a message, hi, welcome, I'll be with you in the, or blah blah blah, anything you want. So this is like a customized message that the supplier made for anybody that sends him message. Okay, you could see everything is written in Chinese. So if you, this is not necessary. If you want to understand this, you may need to translate. I will do a video on how to translate, but for now I'm using my high dictionary to translate. Okay, so once I just drag my high dictionary here, it will translate it. Okay, this month the new welcome goes on blah 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 blah. So that's just his message. So now I will type what I want. For instance, I've not done any business with this supplier. I just saw the gown and maybe I want to make an inquiry. Yes, that's another reason you may need to chat the supplier. Maybe I want to know what this material is made of. I will just go, hello. I will translate it. Okay, it has translated. I will send. Okay. Now, if you see, let me quickly explain this. You see that this thing here is red. It's showing red. It shows that the supplier has not read this message. By the time that red thing disappears, it will show you that the supplier has read the message and then he may respond. But the supplier is obviously not online. If he's online, up here you will see like a green dot to show that this person is currently online. Okay, so let me type my message. Okay, I said hello. Please don't go about asking how is your family, how is your wife, how are your children, your dog. Those are not necessary. This is purely business. So you just go straight to the point. Hello, please. Please don't type in English. You could use your Google Translate to do that, or you use your high dictionary like I'm using. What type of material is this dress? Okay, is this dress made up of? All right, so I will translate it. I can't send this message like this, else I may be talking to myself. So I've sent it. So like I said, the supplier is not online and he may not be able to respond to me now. So when he comes online, he will respond. Okay, and you'll get a notification and you could begin to chat with the supplier. Let me show us. Now, this is my inbox. That place you have 5. That's my inbox. Okay, this place you have 5 here is my inbox. So when you want to check if the supplier has responded to your message, you just click on your inbox, come here. You could see I've chatted with many suppliers here. Yeah, so if you check, this is the particular one we just talked to now. He's still not online. But if I click on this one, in fact, I think this is, let me click on that one so that we'll see. We later switch to English. Yes, I wanted to ask for a refund for this particular product. Okay, so he said, okay, if you just see, this is like an example of what I was saying. This product was showing me the tracking number, but it was not delivered. The shipping company, I bought these goods for a client, it was not delivered. So I sent him a screenshot. This is a screenshot that my customer sent to me, that the tracking number cannot be found. So when I sent to the supplier, after much, I told him to refund me, and then I have to make a refund. I have a video on how to ask for refund, and then he refunded me. So this is my chat to the supplier. All right, I did not receive it. Yes, that's what I just translated to. So these are messages you could send to your supplier, and anytime you want to check, you could just come to your inbox. So I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.